You ever stand in front of your closet, try on 5 outfits, and somehow every single one just looks wrong? So you change again and again, and now you're late, and you still don't know what to wear. Everyone has lived this. That used to be me constantly. Closet full, nothing worked. And I just thought, oh, I need better clothes. I just need more. You don't. Your closet isn't the problem. You have too many pieces that don't work together. And I'm going to show you exactly why and fix it in real time. These are the 5 reasons this keeps happening. And once you see them, you won't get dressed the same way again. Number 1, you own pieces, not outfits. This is where it starts. You buy things like this because you like them. And then you put it together. And it just does nothing. Because everything is separate. There's no connection. That's why you stand there thinking, I have nothing to wear. Fix. You don't need more clothes. You need repeatable formulas. For example, strong pants plus clean tops plus sharp shoe. Structured layer plus simple base. Voluminous on the top, tapered at the bottom. One statement piece, everything else is more neutral. Now everything has a role. That's an outfit. And eventually you start figuring out what it is that you really like, and then you'll have more of that put together in your closet. Número 2. Too many almost items. This is your closet. Cute, fine, wearable, but none of it is strong. So when you get dressed, everything looks okay. And okay is what makes an outfit feel off. I used to keep things like this thinking, oh, I'll make it work. I never did. You just don't. It just stays there. Fix. Swap one piece equals a stronger item. You don't need 5 new things. You need one that carries the look. That's the difference. Make sure you have that in your closet or be on the quest to get that. If you ever looked at your closet and felt like nothing works, that's exactly what I do here. I fix it. Number 3, everything is at the same level. This is another one. Everything is the same energy. Casuals, basics, safes, neutrals, boring. So nothing stands out. That's why your outfit feels boring. The fix, add elevated pieces like blazers, heels, leathers, satins, textures, fabrics, jewels, substance. You need contrast, colors, something that shifts the entire look. That's what makes an outfit feel expensive. Not more, just different levels. That's what you need in your closet. Pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, but incorporate these elements into your closet so it can be more cohesive. I've been there so many times. I would look at my closet and I have many things. My mom would be like, you have so many things. I'm like, no, I don't. And I always used to think, I need more. I need to buy this. I need to buy that. But I didn't know any better. Come to find out, fast forward a few years later, no, I just need intentional pieces to put those things together. And then I can utilize them and put them together. And I don't have to think so much for those days, especially when I'm in the run. Number 4, you don't style, you just get dressed. This is how most people get dressed. They put the clothes on and stop. That's it. That's why it looks like you tried for 2 minutes. You ever leave the house and catch your reflection later and think, why didn't I fix this? You know you have. There's times I would walk out and catch my reflection off a car window and think the same thing. Why didn't I fix this? Or this could have been better. The fix. Tuck, push sleeve, switch shoes, adjust waists, small decisions. That's styling. That's intentional. Work with your body. If the shirt's too long, cuff it. That's a look. If the collar is too much, pop it up. That's a look. If the shirt is too big, off the shoulder, that's a look. That's intentional. That's what you want to keep in mind. Take what's in your closet and style it. Micro decisions. It's not something that you have to spend half an hour thinking about. It's quick decisions that make it more intentional, that work with your body, makes you look stylish, and makes you look great, if I do say so myself. 5, this is the big one. You don't edit your closet. This is the real problem. You keep everything. I make it a habit every season. I actually go through all my clothes and take out what I don't need. And I give it to people that are in need, friends and families, or we would send it back home to the Dominican Republic. Like I'll give it to my mom and she'll give it to people that just need the clothes. That's what I do. If I'm not using it, I don't like it, I don't use it, don't fit, it don't look right or whatever, I give it away. Otherwise, you keep everything. The things that you don't love, the things that you don't wear, the things that just don't work. And that's the reason nothing works. So your closet is full, but none of it is pulling weight. Here's the fix. If it doesn't elevate your outfits, it goes. If you have to figure it out every time, it goes. If it doesn't fit, it goes. If the fabric looks horrible, it goes. If you outgrown it, it goes. You don't need more options. You need better ones. You don't have nothing to wear. You just have too many pieces that don't work together. Once you fix that, your entire wardrobe changes. And this is literally what I do. I don't just style outfits. I fix wardrobes. If you want to actually understand style, not just copy outfits, subscribe, because this is what I do. Now, which one of these are you guilty of? Be honest. I look at all my comments down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.